Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I'm on the way to my training today. Happy weekend everyone. It's Saturday today. So again, enjoy your weekend. I'm busy today because still have training. I'm not finished with my training and I have assessment today. But I was able to review yesterday. I hope I can have time to review again while waiting for the bus. My paper, I put it in my pocket in my pants. The pocket in my pants. This is an Hamden Center, Hamden Street. Because there is no bus pass by in Calip Street going to airport road. That's why I'm always coming here to wait for the bus. Enjoy your weekend guys. See you later or tomorrow. I'm not sure how many hours I'm gonna be duty today. Because if not come for night shift, I need to stay there for 24 hours. But if there is duty, somebody gonna duty night time, night shift, I'm gonna come home tonight. Bye guys. Look at the sun. No? The sun. The sun you see. Huh?